If you're wondering whether Frase or our Rytr is better for your content strategy, you're in the right place. We're diving into both of these AI tools today to see which one really stands out for content creation. Stick with me until the end, because I'll be revealing an alternative that might just be the game changer you need. First, let's look at Frase. One of its major strengths is its ability to help you with content research. If you need to optimize your content for SEO, Frase does an excellent job of analyzing top-performing pages and giving you suggestions based on real-time data. This is great if you're trying to figure out what keywords to target and what topics are trending. Frase's research capabilities can save you hours of manual work, but it does come with a bit of a learning curve. Next, let's talk about our Rytr. Our Rytr is more geared toward content generation. It's a lot more user-friendly, especially for beginners. Whether you're writing blog posts, product descriptions, or social media content, our Rytr will give you a solid first draft in seconds. It also supports multiple tones and writing styles, making it versatile for different types of content. However, our Rytr's content quality can sometimes feel a bit generic. It's great for quick work, but might not have the depth you'd expect for more complex topics. The third thing to consider is their integration and scalability. Frase is built with scaling in mind, especially for SEO-driven content strategies. It integrates well with tools like Google Analytics and SEMrush, which means you can track how your content is performing in real time. On the other hand, our Rytr has fewer integrations, but it's incredibly affordable for what it offers, especially if you're a small business or a solo creator looking for quick content ideas. Next thing, pricing. Frase starts at a higher price point, reflecting its more advanced features and deeper focus on research and SEO. If you're running a large-scale content operation, it could be worth the investment. Our Rytr, though, is much more affordable and has a free plan, making it ideal for people just starting out or needing a tool for straightforward content creation. The fifth thing to consider is customization. With Frase, you're able to deeply customize your content brief based on your target audience, intent, and competition. It gives you precise control over your output. Our Rytr, while customizable, is a bit more limited in terms of advanced settings. This means Frase might be more suited for those looking to fine-tune their content strategy, whereas our Rytr is better for more general, quick content production. But now, let's talk about the downsides. With Frase, the biggest drawback is its steep learning curve. It's not the most intuitive tool, especially for someone new to content strategy. It also has a heavier focus on long-form content, so if you're just looking for a tool for quick snippets, Frase might feel like overkill. Our Rytr, on the other hand, lacks advanced SEO features, and the quality of its content can vary. Sometimes it gives you content that's on point, but other times it may miss the mark, requiring you to edit it heavily. Now, having tried both tools extensively, I've come to the conclusion that while Frase and our Rytr are both great tools in their own right, they fall short when it comes to a more comprehensive solution for long-term content strategy. But after experimenting with these, I think there's a better alternative out there. If you're looking for a more efficient, cost-effective solution that actually helps you plan, create, and optimize content strategy without the frustration of constant tweaking, check out the first link in the description. You'll get access to a free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Give it a try and see how it compares to Frase and our Rytr. It might just be the content strategy tool you've been looking for.